update na. Anong oras na? Anong oras na? I-check mo.
2:39.
Sa'yo, anong oras na yun?
Muli kasi yung good.
Okay guys, anong oras na?
39.
2:39. Oras na naman. Wala pa po kaming tulog. Uy, di ba bawal kayo magpakita? Ako lang pala. Kasi ako lang ang magna-travel ng alis. Ay, okay na. May exposure kayo dito. Ayan, may mga kasama tayo na anong tawag sa inyo? Mga private individuals. Pero dalawa po sila. Update po, ang oras po natin ay 4:39 na po. So nag-aantay na lang po tayo sa ating working time na
How was your experience in immigration?
it was shaking. Anxiety was taking over my monitor.
Okay.
So afraid.
Why were you afraid?
Baka kasi maana ako, bounce.
Bounce back to Las Piñas?
Pamplona. How about you? Kumusta yung ano mo po?
We're fine. We're okay. We're not that weak.
PI1, PI2.
We're fine. We're okay. Kunsya natin.
Are you fine?
I'm fine, thank you. Okay guys, so this is an interview.
Bago mo ako interview, i-flex ko yun.
Okay, so flex your outfit. Where's your outfit?
So yung outfit ko po is inspired po ng sister ko po.
Saan? Okay.
So ayun po ang outfit natin para sa aking video ngayon. So ano ngayon So,
What's your inspiration for your outfit?
sister
Okay, so who came up with your outfit?
may tibulot tita po.
Okay, so do you love this tita of yours?
So much love. Time check. It's 5:39 in the morning. We are waiting for our board. Ayan po. So, eto po ang ating bagahe. Okay, it's 6:01 in the morning. At tulog po ang ating mga kasama. O, natutulog po siya. Ayan po. So, nag-aantay na po kami ng boarding namin. 6:30 po ang boarding namin. At may nagre-reklamo po dito. So, kinulukan niyo po. Wait guys, time check. 8:30 na po ng umaga. Nandito pa rin po tayo sa airport. Dapat po ang ating boarding time ay 6:30 pero nagkaroon pa ng problema at aircraft kaya delayed flight po tayo. Oh, so ito po yung mga natural place. Okay, so we're about to take off your clothes. No, not yet. Hi guys. Hi guys. It's a 2-hour flight.
For the late, taray ko ng big R. Pambalinig ko na siya yung given by using the
Take my hand, we're gonna go to Central Park as friends. Lie under blue skies, sunshine, a bottle of wine. Talk about our daydreams, hey, it seems we're kind of alike.
How's your experience? It's so bad. My task. I think she's her job is where is your mission? What? Where is your mission? I cannot learn.
Where is your mission?
Where is my mission?
Yeah. You look like a man.
Mission impossible. Aru?
This landed at Hong Kong International Airport. Super Pacific Air welcomes you to Hong Kong, 11 in the morning. And once again, between Hong Kong and Ramos, and first officer is Soba.
So, just landed.
Okay lang. The usual.
Wow.
It's nice. They have a
Please stand
train.
clear of train doors and please hold the handrail during
In the Philippines, we have PNR and it's closed. Fuck that shit.
Okay guys, so nasaan tayo ngayon?
Nasa Kowloon Station.
Tayo ay nasa Kowloon. Is it the Kowloon yung dinadaanan ng,
Kowloon denominator.
No, Kowloon Council. Okay, so So guys, ayun na po. Punta na po kami sa amin. Anong update guys? Pulas ka na.
8.1K.
Hey guys. Guys, nag-vlog ako guys.
Kaya sa nang kandani ka ganin ko ano la ganin ko may. Hi guys.
I'm with you, it ain't forever. So I try to move
So guys,
a little faster.
function.
Was to lose, so before
Hi, good evening.
Central Park today.
Haroy, nanhinga turugan kami ating ilang steps na.
Maliwanag pa, Anday. Maliwanag
Ano te?
Paliwanag ka, late kasi nani.
At tula, katabila. O andaan,
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we
So, kumusta ang experience natin dito sa... Nasaan pa tayo ngayon?
Nasa Binondo. Actually, kasi gusto niya mag-Binondo.
Sa mismong tayo na tayo nag-vlog.
want to sleep alone, 'cause I
Okay, so guys. Ayan. Lapit lang nakikita ko na yun. So, ano masasabi mo?
Nakatunaw na daw ako ng 460 calories.
Sabi mo sa pagkain natin.
It's very yummy. So, I'll recommend my order, which is salmon with cauliflower rice.